I would like to show you today the Heroku Gensen template repository, or for short Gensen. It's a place where you can either get started very quickly finding applications or templates to use according to your requirements or context. And on the other hand, you can also share applications that you wrote or demo templates for your provided add-on or library or framework that you authored and want people to use on, or language that you want people to use on Heroku. So it adds kind of the social aspect to Heroku, not just writing and deploying and running your applications, but also interacting with others and with the work of others on Heroku. So for instance, if I want to share an application, then it's as easy as, for instance, logging in with the Heroku credentials, which are forwarded using the Heroku Java libraries, API libraries. And when I'm logged in, so I don't have to log in, but logging in makes it easy to just select one of the applications I wrote and put on Heroku. I just hit the share button. I can also go to the Heroku page or the website for the application itself. I also have a list of already shared applications that I already put in here. I can add some description, which says, for instance, this is a simple cipher Neo4j cipher endpoint to be used in Google Spreadsheets. The stack is already pre-filled in, the Heroku page is already pre-filled in, so then I just provide a GitHub URL for the source code so people can have a look at it, and I also provide the git clone URL, which is important. Then I can provide a documentation URL, like for instance this blog post here. And if I want to, I can also provide a screencast URL, like the Vimeo or video chat here, like this. So application type is a demo, and it's written in Ruby actually. Just forward stuff to the for the REST endpoint, and it uses Sinatra as a framework. Not very much, but just a little bit of Sinatra, and uses Neo4j. Of course, the existing add-ons are already added here, so I just have to add Neo4j. Oh, I don't have to add it. Okay, it's already pulled out of the Heroku information from the application. So that's about it. I just hit. So it shows up here. So imagine now I'm being someone else who just wants to get started with Ruby and, for instance, Neo4j, and search for some applications, and he finds the AppScript demo. He could also search for AppScript if he's interested in something like that. And then it shows up also as a full text search. So we can have a look at the demo, see documentation page that was added, see the Heroku demo page, which is really simple because it's just a REST endpoint. We can see the source repository, which is a GitHub repository that we added. There's the video iframe as well, and we can also get started by cloning it. But first I'd like to show you something else that's kind of social aspect. So I log in with my other test account that I also use for the JetBrains IDE integration tests. So we are back to searching for AppScript and find it here. And here I can also see that now that I'm logged in, I can rate this application. So I just give it 2 stars and say it's just a basic REST endpoint. I rate this application. Here I see all the people that have rated the application. Now I could also tweet about it if I'd like to, about my rating. And the rating shows up here, and if you look at the global list, it also shows up here. So that's the way to aggregate all the ratings over all users to see how much a good fit such an application is. So if I want to clone this application in my own Heroku account, I either use the install icon here or on the actual application page. And if I go there, I can add my email address, but it was already pre-added for me because it's from my Heroku account. And then I say clone into my account. It says creating my app. And that part is actually taken from Anand's and James' application. And then I get the new application and can add the add-ons that I needed and get up and going. So that's about it, I think. Thanks for watching.